I would have never thought that journal writing would have changed my life for the better. I tend to keep everything inside as if being vulnerable was a weakness. I had lived many traumatizing moments that will remain engraved in my head, maybe for the rest of my life. But I don't want that to stop me from living. I've recently decided to seek for help, and I feel like I'm on a good path. Exteriorizing, but also making peace with the past. You don't know when you will be gone, so making the best out of what you have is the best thing that you can do. Instead of thinking of what you don't have, think about what is right before your eyes. Appreciate the small things and the details. Romanticize your life. More genuine love, more awareness. Give more, cherish more, stress less, and enjoy more. It probably took me years to fully understand that, and I'm still applying it to my life right now. Keeping your mind busy is very crucial to beat those down moments. Ban negative thoughts and stop sabotaging yourself, and you stay focused on what you have to do. When my appetite is gone, I make more aesthetic looking food because I eat with my eyes first, and I know I will not be able to resist trying it. Then it becomes more easy to eat again. And simple things are the best. Anything small, anything I don't really have to cook. I also try to give myself time to learn new things, achieve new skills. And in today's world, we're so lucky to have access to all these knowledge. So even if you're not going to school anymore, keep on educating yourself on subjects that you are passionate about. I have multiple passions. Music will probably always be the king, but also I develop a lot of affection for arts and cooking. I know growing up, I remember cooking with my dad, and those moments were the only moment where I felt close to him. Those only moment where I felt like I had a dad. And I always admired people that had good relationship with their parents, even if that wasn't really my case. I still want to remember those good moments about them, and I want to incorporate what was good about them in my life. Last week I've attempted to make some butternut squash ricotta ravioli, and it was... the dough was a big fail. I am gluten intolerant, so I've tried to make a gluten-free dough, and I got very sad because it just did not work well. Yep, that's the evil dough. I had to change my whole way of eating around being gluten intolerant, and I have to say that has been very stressful. I know it looked like I've put the butternut squash inside the oven, but I ended up boiling it with a small onion and a garlic clove. It ended up really being way smoother, and I liked it better that way. But yeah, I feel like my life was a little bit like those ravioli. One side was amazing and another side was so unexpected and sometimes very bad. The fact that I opened many doors lately has healed me a lot, and things didn't really go the way that I planned it for my life, but life works a mysterious way, and eventually everything ends up making sense.